Yeah, so in our last video, we stopped at consensus minimum chain work. That is this particular one. So what we'll do right now is to remove the chain, minimal chain work. So remove the minimal chain work. And let's just make it this. And then the default, that's this particular one, default assume valid. I will remove it, delete from this one. All right, and then delete here off. All right, so here, this particular value, I'm going to teach you how you can easily derive this particular ones, this, and this. Um, and so let's get it. All right, so let's come enter share because we're trying to enter the Ubuntu share. So sudo enter chroot. All right, so then Python. I have Python installed in it already. So we have Python. So import random. So we're there. Then we have this particular value. Let's copy it. Then go back. Then all right. See, we have D0. So we change it, copy it. One. So put it, go, delete this, delete the next one, delete the next one, delete the next one. So put this. So come here again, back, go back and do this, bring it back. This has bracket random dot rand in integer one to random integer. Then we have this also. Copy, go back, put the second one, paste it, go back, bring it back, copy. All right, so bring it back. Last one, go back and bring it back. The C1. All right, so this is how you change the random value. So we have to save. This is how you change the random value. And then the next one, important thing you have to do next is this default port. Default port is 833. So let's say our default port is this default port of Bitcoin, the default port. So this particular is the default port. So we are going to change to our value. Let's change to our value. Let's say our default port is 28282. Let's do that as a default port. Then we'll come here. Then this particular block, assume block size to be 280. That's the gig. So the Bitcoin size is 280 gig. That is an assume, but if you finish building your wallet, you will have to see this particular value when you run the GUI of the Bitcoin wallet. So of the Gas King wallet, you see that. So we change it to um let's say 2 gig, 2 gig, let's say 2 gig, uh 2 gig, yeah, 2 gig. All right, so we'll leave that. Then you see this particular value I told you earlier that when we want to generate, remember we added from this particular part down to this part. We added it. So the next one is to add this particular one, the start new chain. So we'll do that in our next video. So what to do is save. So in our next video, we're going to add our start new chain and also add more valid code here so we can run a new chain. Thank you for watching. Keep on following my video, keep on adding more video. Thank you.